Hey there and welcome to Consult the Blind Guy. My name is Andrew, and in today's episode, we're talking about how you can make money by reselling garage sale items or yard sale items. Hope you enjoyed the episode. Let's get to it. As I said, welcome to Consult the Blind Guy. Today we're talking about how you can make money by reselling garage sale or yard sale items. Now, it's not all that difficult, but it can be very, very profitable for you to be able to sell garage sale or yard sale items. Everybody has, at one point in time, seen or been to a garage sale or a yard sale, or even an estate sale. You go to these different various places within your community or within your county or wherever they may be that you happen to go to one, and you can buy items from them and then resell those items. Now, how do you do this? There's a couple different ways. One, you can have your own yard sale at your house and be able to resell them there and increase the amount of money that you charge compared to what you bought it for. Another option is to sell it online on the various different platforms like eBay or Etsy or your own website or Facebook Marketplace, among many others. Another opportunity is to fix items up that you might have found that could just use a little bit of TLC and then resell those as well. There are different ways that you can make money by reselling these items, but you can also take these items and sell them at your community events for artists and crafters or vendors events or farmers markets. There's a number of different ways that you can go about reselling items online or in person from your own home or out in your community. And this is just one way for you to be able to make a little bit of extra money full-time or part-time or even seasonally as a side hustle as well. If you'd like more information, head on over to consulttheblindguy.com/blog, where you can find an article on this and a few more articles on subjects like this, as well as on ways that you can make money from home and online. And if you're interested, you can buy a copy of my book, Income Booster, 100 plus businesses that you can start from home and ditch the 9 to 5. It is packed with tons of ways for you to start making money from home and online. If you have any questions, by all means, please feel free to drop them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. I hope you found today's video informative. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can stay updated on the latest videos, live streams, and more. Hope you have a great day or evening, depending on where you are in the world, and I'll see you in the next episode.